Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a 2021 G70. Customer complained about rear backup camera not working. As you can see, we got a manual transmission on the G70. So let me start the vehicle. So for sure, right now it's not acting up. As you can see there, our camera is working fine. Same thing. So since we cannot duplicate the problem, I'm just gonna show you how to replace this camera. Because I think maybe it's acting up when the customer has the car itself, right? So they order the camera. I'm just gonna show you guys on how to replace this, and we'll see. Okay, so we're now in the trunk. All we have to do is lower this trim piece here. This guy is just a push-in clip here, and this guy here are tabs. So we're just gonna remove those. And there's gonna be a screw here, if I'm not mistaken. Right, we're gonna remove that. Now for this part here, I'm just gonna push in those tabs. And we can lower this guy here. Okay. Now I don't think this is the same with those G80s or the earlier models like 2015 and 2016 that they have some issue on this harness for not working camera, right? So I think when Genesis had those problems, I think they made sure that there's gonna be a good enough connections there. So as I can see here on the harness side, I don't see any abnormal, right? So we're gonna remove this trim piece here. That's out. Then we can remove our panel. And I think there's still a clip inside here that's holding, so you just have to pull down, right? Okay, so we're gonna put this aside. Okay, now here's our camera connections. Let me remove this. So what do we have there? Is this a clip, or let me remove the the new part, and let's see. Here's our new part. I think there's some holes there, right? So I think there should be a screw here that's holding it, if I'm not mistaken. So how are we gonna remove this? Do I need to remove the whole thing, or okay, so there's some small screws there. I think we can just do it by here, I think. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So on these models, we don't have to remove this whole piece here. This guy, I think we can access. There's some small screws there. This guy, so there should be 4 there. Then we can just pull it out from there. Right. So I'm gonna remove that, and let's see. Okay, so I got this small screwdriver here with the ratcheting tool. So I'm just gonna remove this. Okay, that's one. Let's do the top one first because I think that's the more challenging part there. Two. Left side. Let me remove this connector here. Okay. Let's go the other side. I'm just gonna do by feel. I hope I can manage to go in that screw. No? Where's the play? Okay, 3. Last one. Four. So we should be able to remove this camera now. Can I pull it? Okay, that's good. Old one is out. Let's gonna put in our new one. I believe this is just one way. I think. Okay. That's in. Now let's put one first here, the bottom, then we'll do the top one. So far I've been working in this Genesis shop all the time. Not all the time, but very rare. It's always G70 is the problem. I don't even replace on the G80s or the other models in the Genesis. So where's the other hole? Okay, so okay. Okay. By the way, I'm using a PH1 on the screwdriver, so just in case you need that, you know. Okay, I hope this will not fall. I don't know. Where's the hole? Uy. Yeah. Where is it? Okay. Okay. I'm in there. Okay, that's good. Now for our last screw. Okay, so let's plug this connector back. Oh, that's reverse. Okay, last connector. Okay, so before I put everything back together, let's go inside the car and let's check our camera. Okay, we're inside the vehicle now. I'm just gonna put it in reverse. Oh, let me put my other foot on the brake. Okay, so that blue mark, that's the cover on the camera, so we don't have to worry about that. So at least we know that it's facing up and it's not reverse, which is good. Okay, that's it. So I know there's nothing special in there. It's good. It's just pretty straightforward. We don't have to remove any panels on the trunk itself. I mean the exterior part of the trunk, because some models like the Hyundai's, you have to remove that whole panel where the Hyundai emblem sits. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.